We rolling?
Yeah.
Awesome. All right, guys, so this is going to be the existing furnace that we have. We're looking at a 17.5 wide cabinet by 40 top to bottom to the actual top of this furnace. We also have a ton of space up top where it meets this transition section for the main plenum of the system. We also have 2-inch PVC going out for the exhaust as well as the fresh air. We should be able to keep the up top stuff right here as long as this one, the exhaust, has a pretty good angle coming out of it. Just make sure we don't have any back issues with exhaust or water coming straight down. Make sure that's up to code. But I think we should be able to just save both of these, cut this section right here, and then redo it down to the existing furnace. Now, they have had some flooding over the years, or it sounds like, so what we want to do is we want to lift this guy up and put it on a base can. It's going to do two things for them. It's going to allow for them to have a really accessible filter just right here that's really easy to access because we don't even know where the other one was at. I'm assuming the cold air return is right on the other side of this chimney. It's probably somewhere in there, but just double check that when you guys rip this one out. I don't want to have an old filter that's still been in there over these years. So just make sure we find that and rip it out if there is one. If you need to take that.
Nope, it's junk.
Okay. No worries. But yeah, guys, so this is an 80,000 BTU furnace with a 3-ton fan, and that's roughly everything that we're looking at for this system right here. Natural gas is right over here. It's kind of hard to see due to the angle, but it's right there for you guys. I think the easiest access will be from this front section coming out, and you'll have access to the back if you need it. The floor drain, it actually is connecting by this guy all the way down to a little notch in the concrete, basically, where the floor drain's at. Does that leak, or is that where it floods?
No, it backs up from the septic tank.
The septic, okay.
Or when the main drain gets
Okay.
plugged.
No worries. Just wanted to make sure. So yeah, guys, that should be perfect. We're gonna do 3/4 inch PVC for that section. Make sure it's clean overall, but that will work out perfectly. And electrical for the system's right here. It does look a little bit worn. Might want to just redo that section on down to the whip for that system, but that'll be it. So thank you.
Okay.